renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system. It is one of the powerful systems which maintain arterial pressure in our body. So when the arterial pressure is low, the body activates compensatory systems to maintain arterial pressure. So one of those systems is renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system. So what will happen is that when there is a fall in arterial blood pressure, the blood flow to the kidney is reduced. In response to hypoxia, the peritubular cells of the kidney will secrete a protein enzyme known as renin. Renin, once released into the blood, will act onto its substrate, which is known as angiotensinogen. Angiotensinogen is actually a globulin which is produced by the liver. So renin will act onto the angiotensinogen and will convert it into angiotensin 1. Angiotensin 1 is a mild vasoconstrictor. Angiotensin 1 is converted into a powerful vasoconstrictor which is known as angiotensin 2. This conversion occurs through an enzyme known as angiotensin converting enzyme, and this enzyme is normally located on the endothelium of the pulmonary vessels. Angiotensin 2 will act on the proximal convoluted tubular cell, and here it will increase the activity of sodium hydrogen transporter. This transporter will cause increased reabsorption of sodium, and this would in turn lead to increased sodium retention. Second, angiotensin 2 will act on the hypothalamus, and it will lead to increased release of ADH. The ADH in turn will act on the collecting duct, and from here it will cause water retention. The action of angiotensin on the hypothalamus will activate the thirst mechanism. Next, angiotensin 2 will act on the efferent arteriole, and here it will increase the glomerular filtration rate. Now, what really happens that when the arterial pressure is low, the blood flow to the kidney is reduced. This results in the decrease in the GFR. So, what really happens? Angiotensin 2 tries to maintain the GFR. How? It will constrict the efferent arterioles, and this will lead to increased backup pressure, that is a pressure in the glomerulus, and the increased pressure in the glomerulus will lead to increased GFR. Lastly, will act on the adrenal gland, and here it will lead to increased release of aldosterone. Aldosterone in turn will act on the collecting duct, mainly on the principal cells of the collecting ducts, and here it will lead to salt and water retention. So the main purpose of renin-angiotensin system is to increase sodium in the body and to increase the water content of the body, which will help to normalize the arterial pressure.